Alright, so the M4 Mac Mini is a very small device. As you can see, it fits in my hand. So it also means that you can travel with it, right? So basically, if you got a nice backpack, just put it in your backpack, put the power cable in it and stuff. And also, just to be sure, get yourself an HDMI cable as well. And a nice mouse as well to travel with as well. And also a nice keyboard. Most likely, you would need to use a smaller keyboard that fits in your bag, but this one fits as well. And then you're just hoping that there is a TV or something in your hotel room. But what if you don't have a TV or something in your hotel room? Then you can still use something like a very small monitor. In this case, I'm gonna bring this device here from Viltrox, the DCX2. Put that in your bag and you're basically good to go. Everything in this little bag for video editing, photo editing, business stuff, Excel. Everybody loves Excel, Microsoft Excel, right? Anyways, you can put everything here in your bag and you're good to go. So for instance, case number one, there is a TV in your hotel room and then you can just hook it up and it looks like this. It looks pretty cool, pretty awesome. It works perfectly fine, you know, it just works. But what if you got a room? So case number two, or scenario number two, let's put it in scenario. So scenario number one is with a TV. Scenario number two is a room without a TV, with nothing. Then you can use that small monitor or any other like external monitor that you can travel with. So this one is a very small one. So just in case you really need something, but if you are staying for a little bit longer in your hotel room for like more than 2 days, then I would say get yourself another like bigger monitor. Sometimes you got like a laptop screen, then you can attach another one. So that attachment, that little extra monitor is something that might be very useful. But an overall basic question here is, can you travel with your M4 Mac Mini? The answer is yes, you can definitely travel with it. Just pack some extra things in case you are missing them. So yeah, that's basically it. So a quick video. I just want to test out if it's possible to do those type of things. It just ran into my head like, what if you want to travel with your M4 Mac Mini? Is it possible? And how easy is it, or how feasible is it? And answer is yes, it's definitely possible. And you know, I think it's really cool to have that kind of option with this M4 Mac Mini. All right, that's it. So anyways, it is possible. That question is answered. If you want to know if the M4 Mac Mini, this is by the way the base model, if you want to know if that is a really good device or not, is it worth purchasing it, is it worth upgrading it if you already got the M1 Mac Mini or M1 laptop, MacBook, whatever, make sure to subscribe to the channel to see the full review. I think it will be done somewhere in this coming week or so, because I've done a lot of testing already with this M4 Mac Mini, the base model that is, not the pro model that all of the YouTubers have. So I just have the base model with my own money and I want to show you what it is. So yeah, make sure to subscribe. If you got any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. And as always, stay safe, stay happy. Good luck.